you are here, you have married for ages, you are trusting God to have your own child. Come and stand here and let me release it for you right now. You have married for ages, you are trusting God for your own child. I don't think it is true. It is true that your age can limit God. When you are 50 years, you cannot have a baby. Sarah was 19 years. I prayed for someone in Accra. The woman did not have a womb. The woman did not have a womb. And the man came to church. I asked about his wife. He went and brought his wife. Eventually, the man became my praise and worship leader. He was called Mr. Adi. Yes, now, we have 3 children. I've prayed for many people who have fibroid into miracle babies. This particular woman, this woman went. They said no baby, it's a fibroid, there's no womb, nothing. 7 times when I told her to go back, the last 7th one, they discovered that the baby, the first girl was 4 years in the womb. I'm not lying because some Ghanaians are here, they know this story. The man was called Adi, Mr. Adi. Not only 1, not 2, not 3, plenty of them. That's why God is a miracle working God. Put your hands on your stomach. Sometimes the fault is not from the woman. The fault can come from the man too. As I'm talking right now, there's a lady here. Doctor confirmed it on you last month that you have HIV. Last month, it was confirmed on you. You are here. Listen to me very carefully. Drink water that I've prayed over. Drink it. Wednesday, go back to check up. Tell them they should check it one more time. You'll be shocked that HIV virus will leave your blood. That lady has been healed right now. I said that lady with the HIV has been healed right now. Please put your hands on your stomach. This woman, do you know that there is a snake in your stomach? This woman standing there. You come. There is a snake in your stomach. You eat a certain food and the food turns into snake. It's your stomach. You are not pregnant. You are not. It's a snake. I see you live. I see the snake live. Okay, bring that. You bring it. Stand there. This woman, you are not pregnant. It's a snake. I'm looking at it. It's like I'm watching TV. It's there. I destroy that spirit. Listen. Obi or them asking. Where's Pastor? Where is he going? Where Pastor? Pastor. Obi or them what? Obi or them asking.
There is somebody in this auditorium here.
They put me down and will hear me.
You have a big sore on you. Nobody is aware of that.
It is
your household enemy that has been cutting meat on that leg.
Say what?
In fact, if you are the one, please stand behind this woman.
But eventually they are going to cut that leg.
Eventually, your leg will be cut off.
Say what?
If you are the one that had that big sore on your leg, there's a big sore on your leg. Please come out and stand behind this lady.
Don't be afraid because
don't be afraid, as it is being said by the prophet. Nobody is aware. There is a big sore on your leg. Can we stand behind this woman here?
I want to pray for you for a student.
The prophet will pray over you.
If I end the microphone, I'm not going to Allow it to come to me.
You have to be here now. This is your time.
My God. Look. The offer. You are born and I'm so done and bad. You are there.
Be quiet.
You don't listen.
Please be quiet.